Hi everyone, welcome back to Addictive Kitchen. Today we are making a super comforting bowl of scallion oil minced pork noodles. It's rich, savory, and that glossy meat sauce just coats every strand of noodles perfectly. Just look at that shine and aroma. First, slice half an onion into thin strips. Then separate the scallion white parts into short sections. Chop the green parts into scallion pieces. Also mince some garlic. Now chop some pork belly into small minced pieces. Prepare some shredded cucumber and a portion of noodles. Everything's ready, let's start cooking. Bring a wok of water to a boil. Add 2 teaspoons of salt, then add the noodles. Once they are cooked, take them out and rinse in cold water. This makes the noodles extra smooth and chewy. Now heat some oil in the wok. Add the scallion whites and onion strips and slowly fry them on low heat until they become deeply fragrant and slightly golden, almost on the edge of burning, but not quite. Then take them out. What you are left with is pure scallion oil. Next, add the minced pork into the same oil and stir fry until cooked. Add 1 tablespoon of fermented soybean paste and fry until fragrant. Then add 1 teaspoon of white pepper and stir again. Now add the scallion greens and garlic and fry everything together until fragrant. Pour in 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, and half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Add 100 milliliters of water. Then season with 1 teaspoon chicken powder and 1 teaspoon sugar. Let it simmer until the sauce thickens and becomes rich and glossy. Then it's ready. Pour this meat sauce over the noodles and give everything a good mix. Honestly, just watching this is already making my mouth water. I will try it first. Wow, the noodles are chewy. The meat sauce is incredibly fragrant. You really should try this at home too. Thanks for watching. See you next time.